Hello again, everyone. Today's DIY is going to be super simple, really quick. My mailbox was needing some love, so just with this few simple supplies, we were able to do this really cute makeover. The supplies you're going to need are scissors, some cardstock, some Mod Podge, and a paintbrush or a little sponge brush like I have here. Alright, so after taking my mailbox out from the street, I just basically unscrewed the brackets from the side and just try to clean it up as much as possible. These numbers were stuck. This mailbox is probably 100 years old. So the next thing I did is just grab the hammered textured kind of copper paint and gave it about 3 or 4 coats. The numbers did not want to come off, so I did a lot of coats. And then I took black spray paint and a piece of cardboard and just sprayed it as best as I could without getting too much on the copper color. So to line the inside of the mailbox, it took about 1.5 of my cardstock paper. So I just kind of cut it to the shape, or I used one whole sheet on one side and about half of it on the other side, and I just kind of measured it to make sure that it's all covered. Then I grabbed my trusty Mod Podge and my brush and spilt it all over. But basically what we want to do is just cover the entire inside of your mailbox before putting in your cardstock. Then I just sealed it up with some more Mod Podge. For my numbers, I actually used my Cricut machine and cut out the designs that I wanted. I just did the house number and I sealed it with a couple coats of Mod Podge on top. And then I put our first initial, and a cute design in front. So again, you just kind of have to readjust it because these are so thin. I know there's probably an easier way. You guys could leave it in the comments down below, but it was kind of a pain. But anyways, after it's all done, you just want to cover it up again, seal it. I noticed that kind of the patting motion was a little easier for this design, and that's it. You guys are just done. You could totally use the stickers just that bought at the store as well. They would look great. Just make sure to seal them as well. So that is a quick and easy and inexpensive way to redo your ugly mailbox. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you next time.